much time are you here in a theater?
So I haven't been to a movie theater in over a year, and it's a very unique feeling because I just love the fact that there's been so much done to social distance. Even standing in line to order food is a little bit socially distant, as is the seating, as is the idea of wearing masks. So I think that what PVR is doing is really, really wonderful, and I feel completely safe being here, and I feel good to see a movie on the large screen the way it was intended, with all of the lights, the camera, the action, and the sound, and it's a really nice feeling to be back in the theater.
So, what would you like to say about the film?
Well, Sir was actually at my festival in Dallas last year, so I did watch it on the big screen, and we did watch it in a beautiful theater. So we got that magnitude from Sir, and it was a wonderful experience. Unfortunately, Sheer Korma, I had to watch on a laptop, so haven't really had that experience. But today I'm going to watch it on the big screen, and I'm really looking forward because it's such a different experience watching it on a laptop versus watching it on a big screen. So I'm really looking forward to seeing Sheer Korma on a big screen tonight.
Hi sir, this is Harshita, and today we are here with Mr. Faraz Ansari, the director and the filmmaker of the Sheer Korma. And hi sir, we are glad to have you here. And so, after how long you are here at a theater?
Almost a year.
What do you think of the safety measures that are being taken at PVR to keep people safe?
I think it's fantastic, I mean, you keep seeing social distancing everywhere. There's the stickers, everyone, like sanitizers everywhere, inside the theaters and everywhere. And I think it's fantastic because every time I need a sanitizer, I turn around and I find sanitizers. Everyone is wearing masks. The staff is very cooperative, very helpful. So it feels safe to be back at PVR and the cinemas.
So, would you like to share your most favorite memory of the shooting from Sheer Korma?
I think it was pre-shooting was when Shabana Azmi said yes for my film. That was the biggest happiness because I mean it's such a big honor for her to have her in my film. So very grateful for that.
I would like to tell you that Mr. Owner is a great Indian director, and welcome sir, we welcome you to PVR. Thank you for being here. So, what do you think of the films that are being screened today? Because you're on the panel itself, and what do you think?
I think Sir is a very beautiful film, and I'm so glad that a film like Sir is getting released at a theatre. And I think it's been in the theatre for the last 1 month. And at times of pandemic, it was one of the first films, which is a beautiful film, which has travelled across festivals in the world, has been in the theatre. And what is encouraging is that despite the pandemic, I'm not saying that it's like full, but people are coming, and that just shows that once this pandemic is over, people are going to come back to the theatre.
Hi, I'm Harshita, and we are with a lady who needs no introduction, Anandan Saurabh Bhaskar. So, hi ma'am, we welcome you to PVR, and it's an immense pleasure to have you here.
Thank you.
So, Sheer Korma is screening today. How do you feel, and what are your feelings about the film? How excited are you?
I'm very excited because not just to have Sheer Kurma being featured in such a wonderful film festival that Engendered has put together, but also because I have not seen the film before. So this is the first time I'm watching the film and I'm really excited.
That's great. So, how do you think this film is like what we know? It's kind of a revolution. How do you describe it in your words? Because you have been really active, and you have been always raising your voice against things, against social issues.
No, I think that Sheer Kurma is a very special film because I think it tells the story of people who often get marginalized for various reasons because the protagonists in the film are not just queer, but they're queer women who are also brown and Muslim. So that's a lot of identities together.
Important thing, COVID is not gone, but with sanitization, with your mask and social distancing,
Yes, ma'am.
you can protect yourself. So come back to theatre. We have to lead a normal life, don't we? We have to watch our films back.
Really there are no rules about COVID. You can do your best, but you cannot sit in your house all your life because this is not going to go away in a hurry. We are going to live with this for the next 10 years. We're never going to be safe in that context unless we take care of ourselves.
So, since how long you didn't come to a theater?
Well, I saw my first movie in director's cut. That's again PVR in Vasant Kunj, and that was this new English movie which has come, Intent.
Okay.
Yeah, so I've just seen it last week,
Okay.
and today I've come here. So I'm very confident about the way PVR is managing its complete setup. So from the time we park, from the time we come up, it's very clean. Even when you order, they make it fresh, and it's self-service. So you're collecting your own order and you're taking it to your seat.
Today we have with us Mr. Shiladitya Bora, the filmmaker and director, producer, and his recent film Aapke Aa Jaane Se is a great movie, and we are very glad to have you here with us today. So, since how long you haven't been to a theater because of COVID?
Well, no. I have been to theaters very recently only, because on 13th of November we released this Rohana Gera Sir, starring Tilottama Soam and Vivek Gombar in theaters, and like in spite of the lockdown and all, it has got a very good response. It played in cinemas almost like for four weeks, and so I feel that. Nowhere in the world there has been a single case reported of COVID happening because of cinemas and all.